You've been lying to yourself. You say you want to study, you say you want to be great, then why are you still scrolling? But listen, this is the only video you will ever need. The methods I am about to share might sound strange. You might even think I am joking, but I need you to do one thing. Trust me blindly. No overthinking, no questioning, just follow these methods for a few days. This is a request, a challenge. Now, let's get straight to the point. Study is a battle against your weaker self. And here's the truth. Nobody is coming to save you. Not your parents, not your teacher, and definitely not some motivational video. And don't get me wrong, I am not some red pill, 6-figure earning, extreme self-help guru. That's not me. But I can sit down and study for 8+ hours every day with complete focus. If you actually commit to these methods, you will see real results. Method number 1. Extreme dopamine deprivation. You are distracted, scrolling endlessly, snacking on junk food, blasting music, drowning in entertainment. Your brain will resist at first, craving, distraction, but the only thing you are allowed to do is study. That's it. At first, it will feel uncomfortable. Your brain will beg you for distraction. Just one video, just one episode. Ignore it. Push through, because here's the magic. After a few hours, your mind will start seeing study as the only source of stimulation. That boring textbook, suddenly, it's the most engaging thing in the world. Keep this up, and study will feel more rewarding than mindlessly scrolling through your phone. Whenever you feel like quitting, write down 10 reasons why you want to break your commitment. What's making you stop? And if you still feel like giving up, remind yourself why you started in the first place. Method number 2. The loud and chaotic study method. You think studying in quiet little bubble is the best way. Maybe. But what happens when life isn't quiet? You need to train yourself to focus anywhere. Throw yourself into the most challenging study condition. A packed coffee shop, a noisy street with honking cars and chatters. Play music that's loud and energetic. The first 30 minutes will be tough. Your brain will struggle to concentrate. But that's exactly how you know it's working. Your mind is adapting. And here's the best part. When you go back to quiet room, you will feel unstoppable. You have trained in difficult condition, so now focusing anywhere becomes easy. Method number 3. The 12+ hour study marathon. I know right now, studying for even 2 hours straight feels difficult. But listen, I am not asking you to do this every day, just once a week. Many people suggest gradually increasing time, but if you really want to break through, take on this challenge just once a week. No Pomodoro method, no unnecessary breaks, only short breaks for essential needs. If possible, avoid heavy meals to stay energized. The first few hours will feel fine, but around hours 4 to 6, your focus will start dropping. By hour 10, your mind will be exhausted. But if you push through, something incredible happens. Your brain stops resisting and enter full focus mode. It stops feeling like effort and starts feeling automatic. Just don't overdo it. Once a week, or if you want to take it slower, twice a month. After completing this, you will unlock a new level of discipline and mental strength. Final words. I know this sounds tough. That's why I said from the beginning, these methods are only for those who truly want to change. I am asking you, as a friend, don't treat this like just another self-improvement video. Try it for at least once. Treat these methods like a workout routine. Hit them daily and repeat the cycle. That's it for today. If these helped you, let me know. Stay focused and go make a change. Go and watch this video if you think you are a strong person or if you think that you are weak.